Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Pepe. We're going to be analyzing the charts, see what is happening, and where the prices really could be headed as we do go further into the month of June. We will definitely take a 20% increase over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up about 11% in Bitcoin and 13% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. So without a doubt right now, this is great to see, especially after seeing a continuation of bloodbath across the board. But if we're looking at its market cap, it's sitting at $500 million right now. And the 24-hour trading volume has also increased quite a bit, currently sitting at 199.6 million. But of course, let's shift our focus towards the price, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So if we're looking at Pepe right now, you guys can see their Twitter is approaching that 300,000 followers sooner rather than later. No announcement as of now, but one thing that we could mention is that Coinbase is now also sued by the SEC, which is literally mind-boggling. And could that put an effect on Pepe? It will, and I will tell you guys that just now. But if we're looking at now, the overall increase in holder count, you guys can see the holder count is increasing as time goes by. We're sitting at all-time high in terms of the holder count, and you can see we're currently sitting at 116.6 k the holders basically, and that is huge. That is huge. Accumulation is happening. I mentioned in my other update just 2 days back, whales are accumulating. Even though we are in a downwards trajectory, people are still scooping up Pepe because they see the long-term picture rather than the short-term. But of course, now we're going to get into the price, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short-term. So we need to bring out Pepe and get it going from there. I had ladies loaded up because I just had a ladies update made for you guys. But before we get into the charts, guys, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So now look at these massive buys that are coming in right now. Just over the past hour or so, we've seen some massive big buys coming in. So what really is happening? A lot of questions are being asked, and we're going to discuss a lot of things. So first and foremost, are we about to see something like this happen? After we did see this massive sell-off earlier in May, are we about to see Pepe really pick up its steam? Because let's not act like, this has never happened. This definitely happened before. We did see Pepe go to that $400 million market cap, and then it had a massive bounce of 110% right after that. So are we about to see that? I can't write it off. We are seeing volume increasing, BTC is also increasing, of course, after having a massive dip. Even though SEC has sued Coinbase, you can see that we're seeing Bitcoin react in a positive way, which is a huge sign. So maybe this could be whale manipulation. You never know. Whale manipulation could definitely be occurring right now. The whales are trying to shake out the longs and shorts. That could definitely be going on right now. So that's something we need to keep in mind. But if BTC is able to cross above this $28,900 level of resistance, then in that case, I really do believe, Pepe, along with the entire crypto market, is about to, start this next rally up. If we're looking at BTC dominance, on the other hand, we're starting to see a spike in the BTC dominance price. But despite that fact, we are seeing Pepe really outperform Bitcoin, and that shows a positive sign. And now we're going to be discussing the price, where I could see the price of Pepe really headed. So I'm really liking, I really like how we really bounce back above this level. That was a level of support at that $400 million market cap, and you can see this for yourself. We have seen a 21% increase over the last 24 hours. So we've basically seen in short words, $100 million flow into Pepe over the last few hours. And if that is not exciting, I don't know what is. And I've told you guys this before, and I'll say it again. These exchanges that have listed Pepe are not doing this for no reason. They see the bigger picture. And this massive move that we have seen, it's also driven by exchanges rebuying as well. So things are looking really nice. This bounce is a sort of a relief after, of course, seeing a continuation downside, and us bouncing from that May 12th level of support has shown the strength around that range. But now comes the question, are we out of the woods just yet? Absolutely not. We're not out of the woods right now, but one thing I can tell you guys is we need to pay very, very close attention to the price of Bitcoin, and also be aware as to what news is coming around. That Binance and the SEC lawsuit that was filed against Binance just the other day is huge, guys. That's a massive factor, so we need to get more information on that. I will keep you guys covered regarding that. But like I said, right now all eyes should be on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin breaks out, guys, if Bitcoin breaks out, I am expecting Pepe could reclaim above that $600 million market cap, and a lot of money could flow into it to start pushing the price back above that level of resistance. And I'm not writing it off. I'm not writing that move off, because we've seen something very similar happen just last month on May 12th, and we could potentially see that happen this time around. So things are looking really, really nice right now, and this shows that patience is your number one key to follow. I've literally emphasized on my channel on a day-to-day basis to you guys that patience is extremely, extremely important to have in the cryptocurrency markets. If you're not going to have patience, you will be left behind. So the 3 rules I share, if this is your first time coming onto my channel, the 3 rules are, pretty simple. Number 1 is always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Number 2 is always invest what you can afford to lose. If you have done the number 2 steps, then the number 3 is to always have patience. Imagine the people that sold around this range, and they seen the price spike up 20% after. So of course they're probably kicking themselves right now, but that is part of the game. Not everyone wins, but on the Crypto ZX channel, we are the winners, and in order for us to be the winners, we need to be taking profits. We need to be having an exit strategy way before all these people. Remember, I've said this to you guys when Pepe was at its all-time highs. You guys remember I said, just because Pepe is sitting at all-time high and you haven't taken profits, it does not stop anyone else from not taking profits. So I'm sure a lot of people have learned this this time around after seeing a massive retracement within its price. So this is part of the game. We are going to see these type of moves happen, but the next few hours are very, very important for Pepe. If Pepe is able to claim above that $600 million market cap, and BTC is able to cross back above 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, I really do believe that we have some leg in Pepe this time around, especially being up about 20% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. Also about Coinbase. So can Coinbase being investigated by the SEC really impact this? You guys can see today we have charged Coinbase Inc. with operating its crypto assets trading platform as an unregistered national security exchange, broker, and clearing agency. So basically they're after Coinbase now as well. And of course everyone wants Coinbase listing to happen for Pepe. That could be delayed. Unfortunately, guys, that could be delayed, and that can of course impact the Pepe's explosive type of move, because last time around we seen for Shiba Inu, the explosion really happened when Coinbase came and listed it. So this is something we need to keep in mind right now and should not be ignoring, and I want you guys to pay very close attention to this. But as far as Pepe is concerned, we're still listed on all the major other exchanges besides Coinbase, so the liquidity is not an issue. So I would not be surprised if we're able to reclaim that $600 million market cap even in the next few hours if BTC is able to break out. So very interesting things are happening. Let me know down below what you guys think. I love you all. See you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.